transaction code SM30. So how to create tables and what's the need? So generally what we were doing in the last class. Let me show you what we did. So in yesterday class, what we did, we created daily work schedules. So how create daily work schedules, and we created period work schedule. We did work schedule rule and work schedules, like we created calendar, holiday calendar, and we assigned the holiday calendar using this table. Under this table, we maintained the calendar, which is v underscore 001 p underscore m, and we set work schedule rule and work schedules under v underscore t508a. And now what we'll do in this class, corporate work schedule manually. So after creating daily work schedule, after creating all this, how it looks like and how you'll make, that corporate work schedule manually using T code, transaction code PT01. So let's see here what we did in last classes and now how it looks like, right? So let's go back to the server page, and now I'll put here PT01, enter. Now you can see here, you can create work schedule here. So now, yeah, so here what are the things required you need to put here, and then only you can see, you can go on next page on or another page. So here, employee subgroup and grouping required, holiday calendar required, which we already have created, employee subgroup grouping we also have created, personal sub area grouping we also have created, and work schedule rule we have created already, right? And calendar month from the date and the from starting to end, for which year you are going to create the work schedule, right? So let me show you in the sheet only. So you can see here that we created employee group, for active. If you have gone through my previous classes, so you might be understanding what I'm trying to show you. If you have not gone through my previous classes, please go through my channel and go in playlist for SAP HCM. In SAP, once you go in playlist in SAP HCM, you'll get all these sessions respectively. So obviously this class will going to help you if you are going to make your career in SAP HCM profile. So this is gonna help you, right? So if you have gone through all those classes I have taken, and we have created calendar ID, which is 22, we have created PES grouping 30, which is 38, and DWS grouping 3, rule is 338, and DWS selection rule is 38 again, right? So if you have gone through those classes, you might be understanding what I'm trying to see here, show you here. So let me show you here what we are going to do here, right? Yeah, so somehow, just because of some reasons, these credential was not taken by taken like in PT01, it was not taking. So before these credential, I made, while my practice time, I created this with this. So let's check with this credential, right? So here, let me put here. So in employee subgrouping group, I have made two. Holiday calendar ID is 21. I'll show you how it looks like. And in personal sub area grouping, I'll put here 16, which I already have created. In work schedule rule, general shift. So what we created general shift. Like in, suppose for example, there are 3-4 shifts in a company, right? Morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, and night shift, right? So as per that, we created general shift only, right? So let's check general shift here, and we'll see work schedule for it, for general shift, right? And in calendar, for the month 01/20/22, okay, from 31 2022, means 1st January to 31st December 22, right? So let's click on continue option. It should be showing. I don't know why, what's happened with this. Let's search here. If you're finding anything wrong, then you can search from, because we already have created. So from here we can find our holiday calendar ID, PSG, WS rule, everything you can find here. So you just find which one is your entry here, right? So let's find. So yeah, so I created this one. Okay, you can see here, while creating this, I created Jan Shift and SSR is Smita Singh Rajput. I put my name initial so that I could, recognize that this is my entry. So now I can see here ESG grouping is 2. I have already have put it, and I already have put calendar ID 21, and PSG grouping is personal sub area grouping is 16, and shift is general, right? Work schedule rule is general, right? So, and in the description, in the work schedule text rule, I have written here. So I'll select this one. Okay, now I'll press enter. 31, let's see, 31, 12, 12, I think 12. Let me check with this. Let me check it again. What's wrong with it? Let's remove the entry first. Let's go back first. Okay, now you can see here, this is, once I click back, my entries are showing here. So for 2 salaried employees and holiday calendar, Smita Rajput October, and this, right? So from 1st January to 12 means month 12, matlab December, right? Means December. Now I'll click on continue. Already exist. It should be showing already there. Create schedule. Let me do it again. Let me search it around. Let me see my entry again. I have created 2 3 entries here. Let's find with another one. As this is already created, so we can't proceed with next page. Yeah, this is also my entry, right? You can see here. So let's check with this. 222. PT01. It should be removed. Let's. When I click, you can see here the entries, the holiday calendar ID, PSG, WS rule, everything is there. So I can select from here and I can proceed. But I don't know what happening. I don't know. That is the for which it's I'm not able to make it. Just a second. I think what's the problem? Let's click on it. Let's skip this. Let me see what's an error, because wasting time on this, it's not really beneficial for both, for us, for me and for you guys as well. So better let's leave this, and we'll do it in some time, in some other classes or other sessions. So let's go back, go in SM30. Let's create the tables and then we'll fix this problem. Don't worry, we'll fix it and we'll see it sometime later. So now what we'll do is, this was the important part where we can, after doing all these processes, you can see in PT01, you can see this, you can create the work schedule manually. So I just tried to show you like how it looks like, and how you can create the, you know, a work schedule for 12 months for January to December. But somehow it is not working. So might be sometime later I'll do this. And let's make another table entries here without wasting our time. So now time, data recording and administration. What we'll do is time, data recording and administration. So let's put in table R508Z. R508Z and maintain. Just a second. Table view VR508. Just a second. Let me see what's wrong with this. R508Z. Let's copy it. I don't know what's happening with this. Okay, forget it. Absence catalog. Let's do this. Choose prepare sub area for attendance and absence. Let's make this entry. Select country 40 or India, because we are creating this for India. You can create for any country. Okay, I taken the example for India only. So I'll continue. And now you can see how page looks like, and now the same you will have to create here. Okay, and you can see change view personal sub area grouping for absence attendance types. So you can see here, I have created the, you can see here for 1989 Uttarakhand MK01 marketing. So now what we need to do is in P, if what is P, let's show PS grouping. So in PS grouping, what we have created here, this is 38. We given 38. So now we'll maintain here 38 only. Just a second. Okay, let's make it personal sub area grouping for absence attendance type. So it's a 38. I'll put here 38, 38, 38, 38. Let me show you what I'm doing here. For everyone, I will assign this like what we created for PS grouping. Okay. And for this also we'll create P38. Just a second. And for this also I'll make it 38. I hope you are understanding. Okay, for Uttarakhand 38, for Bangalore, and for Bangalore again. Okay, and let's find and let's save it. And then let's again update for we have updated for we created personal area for Uttarakhand and for Bangalore, and also we created Delhi. So let's find Delhi. Let's click on position, put here 4 times 9. For Delhi location we created personal area which was 4 times 9. Yeah, you can see here the entries are there. So we'll again create here 38. 38 and again 38. Okay, let's click on save. So now we have what we did. We updated personal sub area grouping for absence, attendance, types, and some of the parts are left. We'll continue from next session. So until I'm coming up with the new video, please stay tuned and thank you very much.